Hello everybody, welcome back to Rain World. Last episode I think we killed one of the lizards and not much else. We did kind of explore a lot more, so we know where more things are, which is better. Also, last video I noticed that you guys could hear every single keyboard click that I did. So I went ahead and put a little thing over my keyboard here to hopefully tone that down a little bit. What is that? Okay, well, let's follow this. This seems important. So yeah, I put this thing over my keyboard in the hopes. Whoa, it's a blue one. Whoa, that's not a blue lizard. What is that? Is that bad? Should I run? Look at it. Anyways, I put this thing over my keyboard to hopefully... Oh my god. Oh, we're dead. Already, dude. Already. I don't have a spear to get away. Okay. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I put a thing over my... Okay, you get the point. I put something over my keyboard to hopefully drown out the sound of my keyboard clicks. Jeez. I'm gonna try not to die this time. Okay, who's texting me right now? Okay, let's go ahead and put my phone on ringer. Guys, I swear I'm a professional. Okay. How can I... Oh, that's great. That's just great. Okay, how can I get past this? I could probably just... Where does it want me to go? Whoa! Whoa! I'm still alive. I'm still alive. There was only... Whoa, there's a... Nah, I'm dead. What is that one? There's a blue one right there. That's interesting. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Yeah, people told me this game was gonna be hard. Like, in one of the comments said this game would be hard, and that it took them over 100 cycles to beat this mode. So, okay, well, whatever it's wanting me to do is down. Oh my god, really? That was one? Really? That's crazy. That's really crazy. Alright, let's give this another shot. That's what, death number... What, like 4? Oh, it's warning me that's one of those. Thank you very much. I had no clue. Thanks, game. We went this way, right? There's nothing over here. Yeah, look at that. Well, I also don't know how I'm supposed to get over it now. So I think I am screwed. Hold on, where's my M button? There it is. I hope that X is for the backdrop. I don't know how to progress in this game, so it's like... Do I just, like, wander around? Okay. Well, we need to go find food in order to hibernate. And I guess we just wait till a certain day to go through one of those doors. That's what I would assume. Let's go find some food. That'll come in handy. Nope, okay, I completely... Nope, no, no, please. Okay. Wonder what death that is. Someone should be keeping count. Don't you guys just love watching my content? This is... Yes, thank you for the warning. That got me killed last time. Thank you very much. Okay. Remember that is one right there. I don't think I have a way of getting over this. Nope. Pink lizard, grab me, please. Okay. I don't have a way to get over that. How am I supposed to do this? I think I'm stuck. There's nothing I can do. Okay, there's food this way. We'll go this way, and then I guess we'll just hibernate until we get to one of those doors. Whoa, what is that? Look at that thing go. What is that? Little freaky dude. Is there, what is that? What? He's telling me there's something over here. Can I pick these plants up? I wasn't really able to get over there. There we go. Yeah, I can't pick these plants up. I don't know what it's wanting me to do. I also need food, so like, I wonder what happens if I touch that thing, but at the same time I don't want to find out. Alright. Okay, well. I guess it's telling me to eat these. Which is probably a good idea. Let's eat up. Okay, there's another one of those vine things around. I think. Or is that... is this like green beetle thing like an enemy? I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay, well we can hibernate now. So... I say we go back... and... let's see, we go back into the hibernation place, the hidey hole, whatever it is. And we try to figure out, like... what to do, how to progress. I think what we just need to, like, wait till one of those doors open, I'm assuming. So if we can do that, then I think we just need to get through one of those doors, and then we can progress to the next area. I'm going to go ahead and cut to when I can get to one of those doors open. I don't know when exactly I can do that. I think one of these upcoming ones. So it shouldn't take me too long. I'm hoping. We'll see. Okay, well, if I wasn't a total idiot, then we would see. Dude, oh my god, I found a spear and everything, but it shot towards the pink lizard. Bro, I didn't even... What the fart? Yes, okay, now run. Uh-oh, well, this green lizard's, like, right behind me. Okay. Okay, there's the green lizard. Oh my god, okay. Well, luckily, they're stupid and don't know how to climb, so that gives me the ability to go ahead and eat these while that pink lizard just minds its business. Thank you, pink lizard, for sparing me. Unfortunately, I have to follow this pink lizard, so we're gonna sneak away while it's over there, and let's go ahead and look at the map. I need to get over here, because the closest door is up here, and that's in like 2 days. So I need, 1, I need more food. 2, I need to get back. Okay, there's a spear. We'll take this with us just in case. But I need to get back, so something's having a fight. Okay. It's 2 lizards. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. I still have a chance. Now I'm dead. Yeah, there it is. Now I'm dead. Jesus Christ. There. Dude. Why haven't I been coming here to eat, dude? I can probably get a couple here. I have enough to hibernate. Should we play it safe or get more food? Okay. I say we get more food. Because if we get more food, then that's just less food that we have to get overall. So if we can get more... Oh, and I got one. I got 2. Look at that. I got one with my spear up there. There we go. That's 2 food. That'll be good for a while. Because we can't get full hunger on just like things like this, like on our second meal for when we hibernate. I don't think we can get full hunger. But yeah, look at that. Eat him up. All right. Oh, hey, this is the flower where if we die, then we, I guess, don't lose any of our progress. But honestly, that was probably not a good idea. Can I even get up to that safe spot? It appears that I cannot. I need to go all the way around, and I don't know if I'll have time to do that. So we might actually need to go down from here. Let's see. We'll see if we can make it. Alright. And now we need to get up there, so we need to quickly run. Nope, okay, well, I love that. Love when that happens. That's honestly really good. Okay, well, while they're fighting, I can... Yes, okay. Good. Good, 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 good. And now, we can use this for our chance to escape. And continue on. No, no, please. Okay. Considering it's about to rain soon, I need to be fast, and I can't... Yep, I hear it. Why are there so many? We have to be fast. No distractions, no distractions. Boom. Juked. Come on, we got this, we got this, we got this. We got this, we got this, we got this. Yep, the lizards know they're going to dance. I don't know how long we have. We just have to run. Come on, we can make it. We can make this. Boom, look, there it is. What is the blue one? What does the blue one do? That's interesting. There we go. This one's weird. I don't like this one. At least we wouldn't go to sleep with a full stomach. Oh, dude, yeah, we were about to lose that one. There we go. Now we just need to survive one more day. So we just need one more food, and then we can do the one of the doors. So we just need like one bat, and then we can come right back up here. And I'm gonna do that. I don't want to risk it, man. We've gotten this far. Like, what's the point in risking it? Let's see. Where can we find ourselves a yummy, tasty bat? Let's see. That's the door we're going for. So, there's a lizard right there. I'm not seeing any bats on the map. Maybe there's like... There's something up ahead. Oh, it's... Dude. Maybe there's like a tasty fruit somewhere. Alright, we're gonna have to like be careful here. I don't think they can get in here. I think they'd have to like follow me. Okay, I hope they run off the edge there. Yep. No. Okay, well. Go, run. Luckily, I don't really think the green one can get... Oh, no, it can. I can see where it's getting from. Okay, well. Here we go. I guess we're gonna follow this one up here. We need to find food, and then we're gonna go back to that safe place and just sleep. We just need like one little blue grape thing. That's really all we need. So let's just keep following it. Okay, or not. Hey there, bud. Thanks, juked. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. I can escape, please. Please, please, pretty please. No. No. Hey, can someone help me? One of you guys, please? Like, bite this guy? Please? Oh, no, I'm dead. Okay, well, we have that thing, so we can't move backwards. Okay. But now if we die, we go all the way back. Oh, and there goes my spear. Got it. Alright. So, let's think about this. Let's go the opposite way. Since we died that way, let's go this way to see if we can find something. Because, like, all we need is just, like, one bat, one bat, or, like, one of the grapes. That's really all we need. I screwed myself. Oh, dude, did you see that juke? Okay, well, we're gonna go back, because I don't trust myself going this way. I'm sure I can find something else. Like, I'm sure we can find... I don't want to have to go all the way back down, because if I go all the way down, I'm going to have to walk all the way back up. And that's going to be like a huge waste of time and a huge possibility of dying, but I think we're going to have to. Alright, I'm dropping. God, that sucks, but I think it's the only way. Other than, you know, like half the clips of me dying. Oh, dude, there's tons of food in here. Okay. Yeah, this will be easy. We just grab one, and then we run for the hills. Grab one and run. Okay, we'll grab that spear. There's one. Got him. No! Well, I mean, we're dead. Ah, we came so close. maybe in the next episode. We tried. We know what to do, though. We know what to do. We're gonna wait for the third day up in that one little safe area. We'll come down here, get something to eat, then we'll run back. But instead of going down, I say we take the top way, so we're not wasting as much time trying to get back. So that'll be our goal for next episode. If you guys did enjoy this, please go ahead and leave a like on this video and go ahead and comment and subscribe. That'll let me know that you guys are enjoying my content and enjoy the types of videos that I do, like the genre, all that. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all